AGM, the well-known manufacturer of rugged devices, is all set to introduce its latest innovation, the AGM PAD P1 rugged Android tablet, to its home market in China. While the tablet had already been launched in June for the global market, its upcoming debut in China is expected to generate significant buzz among consumers. The AGM tablet is an impressive addition to AGM's lineup of rugged devices, which are developed to withstand challenging environments and demanding usage scenarios. AGM has established a strong reputation for producing robust and durable devices that cater to professionals working in rugged industries, such as construction, manufacturing, logistics, and outdoor exploration. Despite being developed to withstand harsh conditions, the PAD P1 rugged Android tablet manages to achieve an impressive slim profile of just 9mm, and a lightweight body weighing only 470 grams. This combination of ruggedness and portability sets it apart from other devices in its class, offering users a remarkable balance between durability and convenience. The slim profile of the AGM is a testament to AGM's dedication to engineering and appearance. AGM's engineers have skillfully integrated robust materials and components into a compact form factor, resulting in a tablet that is not only rugged, but also sleek and aesthetically pleasing. This slim appearance allows users to carry the tablet with ease, slipping it into bags or holding it comfortably for extended periods. The AGM PAD P1 represents a significant milestone in AGM's mission to deliver rugged and reliable devices tailored for users who operate in demanding environments. The tablet proudly showcases its commitment to durability by attaining the highly sought-after IP68 and IP69K certifications, making it a standout product that surpasses the capabilities of conventional tablets. The AGM tablet is powered by the Helio G99 chip, which lies at the heart of its exceptional performance and efficiency. This powerful processor is developed to deliver fast and seamless performance, allowing users to handle resource-intensive tasks with ease. Paired with a generous 8 GB of RAM, the tablet ensures smooth multitasking and efficient app handling, even when dealing with demanding applications. To cater to the storage needs of users, the PAD P1 offers a substantial 256 GB of internal storage. This ample space provides users with the freedom to store a vast library of documents, media files, and applications, without the worry of running out of storage capacity. Furthermore, for those with even greater storage requirements, the tablet supports expansion of storage up to a whopping 2 TB, providing virtually limitless space for all their files and content. The AGM PAD P1 boasts a spacious 10.36-inch display, with a commendable resolution of 1200 by 2000 pixels. This high-resolution screen promises an immersive visual experience, whether users are watching videos, playing games, or working on graphic-intensive tasks. The tablet's display is developed to deliver vibrant colors, sharp details, and wide viewing angles, enhancing the overall user experience. In addition to its impressive specifications, the PAD P1 offers a range of features to further enhance user satisfaction. It supports dual SIM cards, allowing users to easily manage personal and work connections on a single device. The tablet also features dual stereo speakers, providing a rich and immersive audio experience for multimedia consumption. Running on the latest Android 13 operating system, the AGM offers users a plethora of advanced features, security enhancements, and user-friendly functionalities. Users can expect improved performance, optimized power management, and a streamlined user interface, ensuring a seamless and intuitive user experience. In conclusion, the AGM PAD P1 rugged tablet stands out as an affordable option in the market. Priced at approximately 1425 yuan or about $199, it offers exceptional value for its ruggedness, performance, and features. AGM's dedication to providing affordable rugged devices allows more individuals to access reliable technology developed for demanding environments, making the PAD P1 a compelling choice for budget-conscious users seeking a durable and capable tablet. Do you think the new tablet is worth your attention? Write your opinion in the comments. Have a nice day and God bless you.